In this video, I'm going to be making another image map, this time using rectangles. So I have an image here of people. So I'm not going to make the image tag because the image map generator will create it for me. I just want to come here first and close these scripts. Okay, so I have some space here to work. Okay, let's go here. Select the image from my PC. Select the people. Open it. Okay, so there's a bunch of people here. So Rect, you click it. So you know, like in Facebook, when you get tagged, it'll sort of do this, where you go over somebody's face, you'll click on it, and I don't know what happens when you click on it, but you usually see a little outline or something. I don't know. I don't use Facebook. So select it. Whoops, I want to make it bigger. Okay, so this is really quick because it's going to create all the coordinates you need. It's really cool. This thing is a real time saver. This wouldn't be fun if you weren't using this generator. Okay, that's good enough. Show me the code. Again, I don't like this little block sign. Okay. Let's go here. So here's the people. You could see. And it's still responsive. So that's working automatically. Okay. So I need to create a peoples folder. Peoples. And inside that, well, let me create the hrefs first. So first, title. The first person is Emma. I'll get rid of these alt text. Don't need them here. Oh. And then Emily and Liam. I have no idea who those people are, by the way. I'm just making stuff up. Peoples, Emma.html. Okay, let me copy this code. Come to people, create a new file. Okay, so I have the default code here. Okay, I forgot I did that. Copy. Paste. Okay. I don't need all this extra stuff. Okay, this should work now. If you click anywhere else, nothing happens. And if you click and hold, you'll see the outline first. Alright, so that's it.